syempre, welcome to the 7th birthday celebration of Chloe Morrison. I would like to meet her. Ayan, ang iyong bagong kaibigan, Chloe Morrison Jollibee. And also, I would like to meet Jollibee. This is her mom, ang kanyang mommy, Maria Fe, and si Daddy Herbert nandyan din. Ayan. At ang mga close friends and family niya, Jollibee. Say hi to everybody. Ayan. At ang dati natin kaibigan nandyan. Sinasur lang ating napakasarap na chocolate sundae. Alright, so Jollibee, alam pa rin at nabalitaan ko na may birthday wish ka para kay Louie Morris. So let's find out kung ano ang birthday wish mo. Ano kaya ang birthday wish sa sa'yo, Louie Morris? So, pakinggan mo rin natin ang birthday wish ni Jollibee. Ano yan, Basha? May sinasabi si Basha. Si Popoy, nasaan? Go for your birthday wish. And pakinggan mo na natin ito ngayon ang birthday wish si Jollibee for Louie Morris. Go. Louie Morris. Louie. 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 Ayan. Louie. Sabi ng ating best friend si Jollibee, sana daw lumaki kang matalinong bata. Sana daw lumaki kang healthy katulad ni Tita Charis. At sana daw ay hindi ka maging sakitin. Palakpakan naman natin si Jollibee. Thank you! At syempre meron pa. Tingnan nga natin. Louie Morris, sabi rin ating best friend si Jollibee, sana daw, syempre lumaki kang mas maganda. Siyempre, ang maganda. At sana rin daw lumaki kang sexy. Siyempre, lumaki kang sexy. Siyempre, katulad ni, of course, ng kanyang mami. Palakpakan mo natin si Jollibee. At ang pinakamalaga sa lahat, Louie Morris, sabi na natin best friend sa Jollibee, sana daw, syempre, lumaki kang always be happy, laging masaya. Katulad namin dito sa Jolly Town, laging masaya, si Ate Lynn. At syempre, ni Kuya Kyle, yan, syempre ni Ate Diana nandyan din, ni Kuya Glenn, ni Kuya JC, of course, ni Kuya JJ, and our very own best friend, it's Jollibee. Salamat, Jollibee, for your wonderful wish. Highlight ko lang yung birthday wish ni Jollibee Louie Morris. Sana daw naman kang laging masaya kahit na talaga naman paminsan-minsan meron tayong pagsubok sa buhay for us to be more stronger, Louie. Maraming salamat and happy birthday. And sige ko lang po yung take this opportunity to promote our Jollibee Calamba store. This is the bigger and the brighter store. Jollibee Calamba, crossing along National Highway, Barangay Uno, Calamba City. Ayan. Alam niyo po ba mayroon dito kaming drive-thru? Dahil lang po kayo sa aming tindahan. Kapag kayo ay may sasakyan, hindi na kailangan bumaba. Ayan. Pwede na kayo mag-Jollibee. And meron kami Jollibee Express Delivery. Just dial 838-7000 para po sa mas mabilis na servisyo. And of course, we also have the Jollibee Kids Party. Ayan. Our team is Jolly Town and you can choose from my Batman team at the boat. And of course, we also have the my best friend team. Thank you so much. And guys, available pa rin ang aming Happy Plus card for only 100 pesos po. Kapag may Happy Plus card po kayo, hindi na po kailangan ng cash. Basta loadan nyo lang po ito. Magagamit nyo po ang Happy Plus card sa Green and Red Ribbon, Inasal, syempre sa Chowking, and sa Jollibee. Magagamit natin yan. Kaya yan po ang use ng Happy Plus card. You can earn points. At ito po ay cashless. Everyone else in the room is seeing, everyone else but you. Happy birthday sa'yo, Louie! Ito pa ang pinagandaan kay ni Jollibee, ang isang napakagandang dance number. Dance number on the floor together with Bulakal and Ate King Holly. Ayan, so once again, okay lang po bigyan natin ng sa masigabong palakpakan si Louie Morris muna. Happy birthday! And gusto natin pang imbitahan Louie Morris doon katabi ng iyong mami para makita mo ang dance number niya, Jollibee. Okay, ito lang, bigyan natin isang masigabong palakpakan. Our very own best friend, it's Jollibee. Tayo, sama si Ate Kuya, go! Thank you, Louie pala. And don't go away, there is more para sa inyong lahat. Ayan, dito. Once again, palapakan natin si Jolly. Thank you so much for that wonderful, today's wonderful performance. Maraming salamat, and to continue the celebration of Louie Maurice, let's have the candle blowing ceremony. And as part pa rin ng ating Filipino tradition, may call on the celebrant, please, and together with the parents, of course.
Ken! Isa pa!
Ayan, it will be the highlight of the celebration of Louie Maurice. Kaya naman, Daddy Herbert and Mami Fe, dito po tayo sa unahan. Samahan natin ang inyong daughter mag-blow ng kanyang 7th candle. And before anything else, I would